Nearly 40% of car breakdowns don't happen because of a blown engine or failed transmission. They happen because of a single hidden sensor quietly failing behind the scenes. It's called the throttle position sensor, or TPS, and when it goes bad, it can turn even the smoothest ride into an unpredictable nightmare. This tiny $13 sensor decides how your engine breathes, how much fuel it gets, and how your car responds when you accelerate. But here's the terrifying part. Most drivers never realize it's the TPS until their car dies in the middle of the highway, or worse, after they've already spent hundreds replacing the wrong parts. Today, I'm exposing 9 critical warning signs that your throttle position sensor is failing, plus the insider secrets mechanics don't want you to know about testing and fixing it yourself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot the problem early and save yourself from thousands in unnecessary repairs. Tip 1. Your car idles like it's gasping for air. It starts small. You're sitting at a red light, foot on the brake, and suddenly your car's idle starts dancing. The RPM needle jumps up, dips down, then steadies again. It feels like your engine's breathing unevenly, struggling to catch its breath. Most people blame bad gas or cold weather, but this is often the first whisper from a failing TPS. Here's what's really happening. When your car idles, the throttle plate is almost completely closed, letting just a thin stream of air into the engine. The TPS tells the computer exactly how open that throttle is. If the sensor sends even slightly wrong data, the engine gets too much or too little air, causing it to hunt for balance. The computer tries to correct something that isn't actually wrong, making your idle feel unstable. The dangerous part is that many drivers keep going for weeks without realizing their throttle sensor is quietly failing. Over time, that unstable idle causes carbon buildup, poor fuel economy, and eventually leads to misfires or stalling. Ignoring this can turn a $20 sensor issue into a $500 carbon cleaning job. The fix? Test your TPS with a multimeter or have the idle air control system checked. Catching this early saves you hundreds. Tip 2. Hesitation when you press the gas pedal. You press the gas expecting your car to surge forward, but instead there's a pause, just a split second of hesitation. Then the power kicks in suddenly, like the car just woke up. That moment of silence is your throttle position sensor betraying you. When you press the pedal, the TPS sends a voltage signal to the computer, telling it exactly how much the throttle plate should open. But when the sensor wears out or gets dirty, that signal becomes inconsistent. Sometimes it lags, sometimes it skips, and sometimes it tells the engine nothing at all. That's when you feel the hesitation, the delay between pressing the pedal and the engine reacting. The computer doesn't know what you're asking for, so it stalls while trying to figure it out. Over time, that hesitation gets worse. You might feel the engine stumble during acceleration, or jerk slightly when you release the gas. In extreme cases, your car may even go into limp mode, limiting your speed to protect the engine. Many people mistake this lag for transmission trouble or clogged fuel injectors and end up spending $400 to $800 on repairs that fix nothing. The real culprit sits quietly on the throttle body, sending bad data. Testing the TPS costs nothing if you have a multimeter, and replacing it runs $13 to $100, saving you from misdiagnosed transmission work. Tip 3. Erratic transmission shifting and hard gear changes. When the throttle position sensor starts failing, it doesn't just mess with acceleration, it confuses your entire drivetrain. Suddenly, your transmission doesn't know when to shift. The result is hard, delayed, or even random gear changes that make your car feel like it's fighting itself. Your transmission relies on the TPS to know how hard you're pressing the gas pedal. That information helps it decide whether to hold the gear longer for power or shift early for fuel economy. But when the TPS starts lying, the transmission gets mixed signals. It thinks you're flooring the gas when you're barely pressing it, or easing off when you're actually accelerating. You'll feel the RPM spike for no reason, the car jerk when shifting, or the gears slip unpredictably. In automatics, it feels like the car is hesitating or lurching into the next gear. This confusion doesn't just make driving uncomfortable, it puts stress on the transmission. Every harsh shift wears down internal components, turning what started as a $20 sensor issue into a $1,500 transmission problem. Most people never suspect the TPS and waste hundreds on transmission fluid changes solenoid replacements, even torque converter repairs, only to discover the real cause was that tiny sensor. If your car suddenly shifts at the wrong times or jerks between gears, test the TPS first before touching the transmission. Tip 4. Phantom acceleration and unpredictable power surges. You're driving on a quiet road, steady foot on the gas, when suddenly your car surges forward on its own. Your heart skips. For a second, you think you pressed the pedal too hard, but you didn't. The car just decided to accelerate by itself. Or maybe it's the opposite. You press down expecting power, but nothing happens. The engine hesitates, stumbles, and feels like it's ignoring you completely. That's phantom acceleration, and at the heart of it is a failing throttle position sensor. When the TPS sends erratic voltage signals, your computer interprets them as rapid changes in throttle input, even if your foot hasn't moved. One moment, it thinks you're flooring the gas. The next, it thinks you've taken your foot off completely. The result is unpredictable surges and sudden drops in power that catch anyone off guard. Drivers describe it as the car having a mind of its own. Some report their vehicles suddenly jumping forward in traffic. Others say their car refuses to accelerate at all, both caused by the computer receiving bad data from a dying sensor. These random bursts aren't just unsettling, they're dangerous. Imagine this happening while merging onto a highway or sitting at a stoplight. A sudden surge can send you into another lane. A delay can leave you stranded in front of oncoming traffic. This is when a faulty TPS goes from annoying to life-threatening. Testing the sensor immediately can prevent accidents and save your life. Tip 5. Check engine light with specific TPS error codes. That little orange glow on your dashboard, the check engine light, is supposed to protect you. But when it comes to a bad throttle position sensor, it often misleads. When the TPS starts sending strange voltage signals, your car's computer knows something's wrong, but doesn't always know what. So it flashes that vague warning. The problem is that same light can mean 100 different things: bad oxygen sensor, loose gas cap, misfire, or failing TPS. If you plug in a scanner, you might see codes P120, P121, P122, P123, or P124. They're all related to throttle position issues. But here's the trap. Those same codes can also appear if your throttle body actuator, accelerator pedal position sensor, or wiring harness is acting up. That's where most people get misled and replace the wrong part first. A mechanic might sell you a brand new throttle body for $400 when all you needed was a $13 sensor or a quick cleaning. Others waste money swapping out the accelerator pedal assembly, chasing a problem sitting right on the throttle body the entire time. Understanding the pattern of your symptoms matters more than the light itself. If you've noticed rough idles, hesitation, weird surges, or poor shifting alongside that check engine warning, the TPS should be your first suspect. With a simple multimeter test in your driveway, you can confirm if your TPS is truly the culprit and avoid $300 to $500 in misdiagnosed repairs. Tip 6. Mysteriously poor fuel economy that won't improve. Your gas mileage used to be predictable, but lately you're filling up way more often. You haven't changed your driving habits, yet your fuel economy has dropped noticeably. Before you blame your driving style or old spark plugs, check your throttle position sensor. When the TPS sends incorrect data, your engine's computer can't calculate the proper air-fuel mixture. If the sensor tells the computer the throttle is more open than it actually is, the system dumps in extra fuel unnecessarily. Your engine runs rich, burning more gas than needed while giving you no extra power. You're literally pouring money into your tank and watching it burn away because of bad sensor data. The computer relies on precise information to balance efficiency with performance. When that information is corrupted, fuel economy is the first casualty. Some drivers report losing 15 to 25% of their normal fuel efficiency before discovering the TPS was the problem. At $3.50 per gallon, that's an extra $200 to $400 per year in wasted fuel for the average driver. The frustrating part is that this symptom is invisible until you start tracking your mileage carefully. Most people notice it only after months of overspending at the pump. A simple TPS test and $20 replacement can restore your fuel economy immediately, paying for itself within weeks. Don't let a faulty sensor quietly drain your wallet mile after mile. Tip 7. The money-saving secret. Clean before you replace. Here's the secret most mechanics won't tell you. Sometimes your throttle position sensor isn't bad at all, it's just dirty. Over time, the inside of your throttle body collects carbon buildup, oil residue, and microscopic dirt. That grime interferes with the sensor's ability to read accurately, causing those wild voltage swings that make your car act possessed. Before you rush out to replace the TPS, there's one simple step that can save you hundreds. Clean it. The TPS is mounted right on the throttle body, usually held in by 2 screws and a small connector. Once you locate it, disconnect the battery, unplug the sensor, and carefully remove it. You'll probably notice a thin film of black residue inside. That's your problem. Use an electronic safe cleaner or throttle body cleaner and a soft cloth to wipe away the buildup. Don't soak the sensor, just clean the contact areas. Once it's spotless, reinstall it, reconnect everything, and start your car. If your idle smooths out, the hesitation disappears, and the check engine light goes away after a few drives. Congratulations! You just fixed it for the price of a cup of coffee. About $8 for a can of cleaner. This 20-minute job can save you $150 to $300 in mechanic labor and prevent unnecessary part replacement. Clean your throttle body at the same time for even better results. A clean airflow path helps your sensor last longer and keeps your engine breathing freely. Tip 8. How to test your TPS with a multimeter in 5 minutes. You don't need to be a mechanic to diagnose a failing throttle position sensor. With a $20 multimeter from any auto parts store, you can test it yourself in your driveway in about 5 minutes. Here's how. Locate your TPS on the throttle body and find its connector. Most TPS units have 3 wires: a reference voltage, a ground, and a signal wire. With the key in the on position but engine off, back probe the connector or access the sensor terminals. Set your multimeter to DC voltage. The reference voltage should read around 5 volts. Now, slowly press the gas pedal while watching the voltage reading on the signal wire. As the pedal moves, the voltage should rise smoothly from around 0.5 volts at idle to about 4.5 volts at wide open throttle. The key word is smoothly. If you see jumps, drops, flat spots, or erratic readings, that's confirmation your TPS is failing. A good sensor produces a steady, linear increase in voltage with no interruptions. This simple test tells you definitively whether your sensor is the problem before you spend a dime on parts. It can save you from replacing a perfectly good sensor or prevent mechanics from selling you unnecessary throttle body replacements. The total cost? Just the $20 multimeter, which you'll use for countless other car diagnostics. 5 minutes of testing can save you $300 to $500 in misdiagnosed repairs and get you back on the road with confidence. Tip 9. Replacement costs and how to prevent future failures. If cleaning doesn't work and your multimeter test confirms the TPS is bad, replacement is straightforward and affordable. A new throttle position sensor typically costs between $13 and $100 depending on your vehicle make and model. If you're handy with basic tools, installation takes about 15 to 30 minutes. It's usually just 2 screws and a connector. If you prefer professional installation, expect to pay $70 to $100 in labor, bringing your total to $85 to $200. Compare that to the $400 to $600 mechanics might charge if they misdiagnose it as a throttle body problem, or the $1,500 you'd waste on transmission work when the TPS was the real culprit all along. To prevent future TPS failures, maintain your throttle body with regular cleaning every 30,000 miles. Use quality fuel to minimize carbon deposits. Avoid aggressive driving that constantly maxes out the throttle position. Check electrical connections periodically for corrosion, since voltage irregularities can damage the sensor over time. Most TPS units last 80,000 to 120,000 miles with proper care. By staying proactive, you extend sensor life and maintain smooth engine performance. The real secret is catching problems early through routine inspections and being aware of the 9 warning signs we've covered today. That awareness turns a potential $2,000 nightmare into a $20 fix you can handle yourself. So what did we really uncover here? That one tiny, overlooked sensor, costing just $13, can decide whether your car runs flawlessly or breaks down in the middle of the highway. From stalling at red lights to jerking between gears, from wasting fuel to surging without warning, the throttle position sensor controls more than most drivers realize. But here's the good news. A quick cleaning, a multimeter test, or a $20 replacement can restore your car's smooth acceleration, protect your transmission, and save you from hundreds, even thousands in unnecessary repairs. Cars don't just brake without warning, they talk. That rough idle, that delay when you press the gas, that flickering check engine light, it's your car begging for help. And now you know how to listen. Before you let a mechanic convince you it's your transmission or fuel injectors, check the throttle position sensor first. It's one of the simplest, cheapest, and smartest repairs you can make.